Travis, I've got your ad up. Let's go ahead and take a look. What the heck did I do with? Oh, here it is right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Let me just get this in the window where we can. There we go. Okay. All right. So it's a good start. I think the background image is adjusted very nicely. However, I don't recommend this background image. And the reason being is because this is a resort and spa, Caribbean resort and spa. So theoretically, they're promoting very calm, relaxed atmospheres, right? But these waves are very, very violent. These waves are crashing up against the shore, and I think they're very violent. I don't think this is a relaxing image at all. My recommendation is to change the background image. So also, you're seeing, what is the promotion here? Remember, this is a promotional ad, not an informational ad. So my take on this is that the promotion is a drink. So let me just ask you this, and I'm not trying to be a smart aleck here at all, but I just want you to think of this hypothetical scenario. So you're saying come all the way to the Caribbean for it. Well, you're going to give me a glass of wine? That's the promotion? I would be like, I don't think so. You got to come up with something better than that. So my recommendation is to come up with a more solid promotion. Something, I don't know what you want to do, but just offering a free drink to go from here to the Caribbean is not a whole lot of incentive for one to want to get off their wallet and make that move. Do you see what I'm saying? I think the promotion needs to be a little bit more robust here. So. And then as far as the page mechanics go, my recommendation, I think there's too much eye movement in this ad. I think so. So you got the background image, and then we come up here to the headline, then we jump over here to the subhead, then we jump over here to the rest of the subhead, then we jump over here. So then we jump down here. So the eye is moving around quite frantically. You just see what I'm saying? It's not a smooth movement through the composition. That's why I recommend the configuration of headline, then left aligned subhead, paragraph of body copy, contact information, logo, and then the masked image, right? So, and then in this particular case, I would recommend finding a different background image. So again, in summary, when you do set up your background image, you would want this. You would want a headline. Subhead's got to be smaller than a headline to point to good hierarchy. I don't recommend this ellipsis and then continuing this thought down here. I would just say enjoy the beach, then subhead, no questions, no question mark, no ellipsis, just a statement right there. Enjoy the beach. I'm trying to think of something, but I can't. I'm drawing blanks. Enjoy the beach. Come to Caribbean's finest beach, or see the Caribbean's finest beach, something like that, right? Then add a paragraph right here describing the promotion as well as Amethyst Bay. All right. Then masked image, address, and logo. The problem with this masked image here is that it's got a white background through the glass. It's always difficult to use something that's supposed to be transparent, because theoretically this should just be transparent to the scene and not the original scene. So we are definitely seeing indications of the original background. You might consider using a different masked image once you recompose and actually set up a different promotion, something that's a little bit more robust, something that is likely to create action on the viewer's part, something a little bit more generous of an offering than a free drink. Okay, does that make sense? And again, I don't mean to be sounding discouraging at all. I'm just trying to be as honest as I can. So think about the relationship headline to subhead. The subhead is bigger than the headline. If not, it's just as big. So that's pointing to compromised hierarchy. Typically, the subhead is smaller than the headline. So you got enjoy the beach, then smaller headline right here. Okay, body copy, contact information, masked image, logo. All right. So at this point, I would say, just please let me know if you have any questions. But I would like to see a reconfiguration. And if you need help, let me know. I'll be glad to provide further recommendations. But I'd like to see those changes reflected in your final ad when that time comes, which is coming up pretty quickly here. So, all right. So any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.